Today we're going to be trying out a nail kit from Amazon. Azure Beauty sent over their dip powder nail kit for me to try out. This portion of the video is sponsored by Azure Beauty, so let's go ahead and get it open and see what comes in this kit. This is the kit. This is the instructions. It tells you everything you need to know. Need to pay attention, okay? Some of y'all need to pay attention. This is how you put on the nails. So very detailed instructions. I like that. Many people who follow me are beginners, don't know anything about nails, and they need all the help they can get. So thank you for the detailed instructions. All right, so you got dip powders, a brush. Feel like a little makeup brush, but it is a little dust off brush. You get a nail file, the dip liquid 1 through 4. Oh, was some on the bottom. Okay, and it comes with extra brushes. That is a plus because some of y'all be asking me where to get like extra brushes from. I'll be like, I don't know. Yeah, this one comes with extra brushes in case the brush you're using hardens up. All right, so I'm excited to see what these colors actually look like. So let me try to get them out. This packaging is secure, okay? These powders should not spill because it's a little hard to get this stuff out of here. Oh, it also comes with a after service card. I promise y'all, I know how to read. Let's see, on the back here, it says, to our valuable customers, thank you for choosing. And if you have any problems, to reach out to them. So very nice touch. All right, so this is everything that comes in the kit. And I just want to show y'all, this is the kit that I have, and it currently retails for $21.99. So I think that's pretty affordable. All right, so the next thing is opening up all of these powders. I am not knocking the packaging, but it is very reinforced. But I totally get it because powders can definitely spill in transit. So whatever you got to do to make it, get to the customer without being spilled all over the box. All right, we got them all undressed. Okay, so let's see what the powders look like. So we got 8 powders here. So this one doesn't have a sticker on top, but it does say transparent, so clear. Ooh, fancy. I really like this. I can tell that they are very concerned about the powder not spilling, so that is good. This one is 20, doesn't really have a name or anything on it. No, it's number 20. I'm trying not to spill it. Okay, so that is 20, 18. Nice little nude color. It's kind of hard to tell what the final color will look like because this is in powder form, but this at least give me an idea. Ooh, I'm always down for some glitter, okay? Number 44, right? So this is also a nudish kind of color. It's lighter than the other one I showed, so that's the difference. Number 43, nice little pink. Number 16, nice little peach color. And number 17, oh, that's deep. It's like a deep purple. It's not really coming purple on camera, but it's purple. And these are all the colors side by side. So as y'all can see, it's kind of a neutral palette with beautiful glitter. I don't really know what nail design I want to do. I want to kind of try out all of these actually, or most of them. Anyway, let me go ahead and prep my nails. These are my nails. Let's move these out the way. So y'all know I'm putting on some nail tips. So we're gonna just clip these down. I know people always ask why don't I do my natural nails, and it's because they don't grow even. They just do what they want to do. All right, so taking their nail file, I'm gonna just go ahead and clean up the shape, make it more round and just as short as possible. All right, so it is time for nail tips. I'm gonna use these just because I want the color payoff of the powders to kind of be like, and that happens the best when I use like natural color tips. So let me go and find my sizes. So I did a little crude sampling just to see how these would look, once everything was, moistened. So this kind of gives you a better look at what the colors will look like. Don't mind this one. This one got touched by the glitter one. But the colors are pretty. And I just needed to know like what I needed to do because I wasn't sure like what I wanted to do. So this gave me a better idea. As much as I like the glitter one though, I think I may pass on that one. I don't know. So I got all the nails on and I'm just gonna go ahead and trim them down. I can't really do too long because I can't dip into the thing, so. So we're just gonna have to do it a little short today. We're gonna do a cute little length, maybe like right here. I think I should be able to dip into the jar, hopefully. All right, so let me go ahead and even out this shape. Well, the length, more importantly. So I've done a ton of dip powder nails and I find that it is so important to go ahead and do your shaping before you start the powder and everything. It's a little hard to shape dip powder nails. Like you don't want to do too much filing. All right, so after getting that length the way that I want, you want to go ahead and take the shine away from the nail tip. You don't got to rough it up too much, but you don't want it shiny because, you know, it'll help the dip powder stick to the nail tip better. And you also want to kind of make sure there isn't just a gap. You want to blend in the nail tip to where you barely feel the transition. All right, so this is what my nails are looking like so far, nice and prepped. So starting off with the base, I'm just going to apply this like I normally do. The instructions say that if you're just doing your natural nails to just put it all over your nail, but it also say if you're doing artificial nails to start where the nail tip meets your natural nail. And that's typically how I do it anyway. So I'm gonna start with just a strip down the center like so. And then we're gonna go in at a 45-degree angle and gently pull it back out. Tap, tap, tap. Now, I think I remember reading, how long does this take to dry? Oh, it says air dry for 30 seconds. So you wanna make sure to read the instructions. So yeah, 30 seconds. Oh, has it been enough time? Oh, no, it's still sticky. Okay, so yeah, you really wanna wait for 30 seconds. Still feels a little tacky though, but it's all right. We're just going to brush the sides, get the excess off. I don't know, 30 seconds is a little too long to be waiting. I get it though, you know, it gives you time to really perfect what you're doing. All right, so my second one, I'm gonna go in a little bit back from where I started, and then we're gonna go to each side like so. And I'm doing it this way because it's gonna create a nice shape for me. So we're gonna go in at a 45-degree angle and then pull it back and tap the excess off and we wait. All right, so we're gonna brush off the excess and we're gonna work our way back, getting closer and closer to the cuticle and just making sure you're not missing a spot. We need the entire nail covered. Go ahead and dip this. Oh, I may have went too long. It's okay. We gonna make it work. Okay, see, I was thinking it was still like not dry. It's just kind of have like this tacky feeling to it, but as y'all can see, it is dry. So even though it does say you need to wait 30 seconds, you know, if you go a little early, it's okay. But I do like how this base does stay where you put it. That is like crucial when doing dip powder nails. Yeah, I think I went a little too long for these jars. The nails gotta be cute, and I'm just not that good at doing cute short nails. I gotta have a little bit of length to work with. Yeah, I know. It looks a little crazy thick, but we're gonna take care of it, okay? Trust the process. So we're gonna go ahead and just do the same process that I did. Waiting my 30 seconds, waiting my 30 seconds. All right, lightly brush. And then our second layer, gonna go a little bit above where I started, but we're gonna go on both sides. I do like these colors though. At first I was like, but it is like a nice little fall neutral palette. So the powder itself is really nice. It's finely milled, and that is like really important when it comes to dip powders. You don't want to be able to see the granules when you're like filing it and after you're done. So the finer the powder, the better it looks. But yeah, I like doing it this way because it gives me the apex and the shape. Otherwise, if I were to do this, putting it over the entire nail, my nails turn out so flat. Just a little bit. Okay. But as y'all can see, it will work if you dip or if you pour or scoop it on. So lightly dust. Let me get my scoop ready because I know I'm gonna have to scoop this one. Be sure that the cuticle area is gonna be covered. All right, so we're just gonna scoop that on there. Can't see. My clothes, okay. Yeah, work quickly. But we go ahead and apply that. But yeah, these jars, you know, you'll be fine if you're not trying to do long nails like me, but they're not long nail friendly. But as y'all can see, the dip process is really, really easy. Super beginner friendly. You don't have to deal with monomer. You could just dip. It's gonna be even more of a challenge because each nail is bigger and bigger. So I've been having good luck with just scooping it on. So that's pretty much how I had to do this whole nail. So this process is going by pretty quick. I'm happy about that. So this ain't gonna take you all day to do. Like, it's really, really quick. Ooh, look how smooth that application is. Always be mindful though of where you're placing the base, because wherever you place it is where it's going to stay. It's where the powder is going to stick to. So just keep that in mind. All right, so I have dipped all the nails and I know they look crazy, but hold on. All right, so now we got to go in with step 2. It is the activator. And this step is really important. I said about all the steps. All the steps are important, especially the activator. This is what dries the glue. I say glue, but you know, the base. This is what dries the base and makes everything nice and hard so you can file and shape without any gummy or gooey areas. So you want to make sure to apply this generously, but don't get it on your skin, okay? Don't go crazy. Oh. Kind of has a strong smell as well, but I think that's like all activators actually. But yeah, go ahead and apply this to all of your nails. Don't forget the tip here. People always say when I apply activator to dip powder nails, it's like so satisfying. I totally get it because you just see it go from just ashy to not ashy. That's always satisfying. As y'all can see, this one got a little out of hand around the cuticle area, but that is all right. The file is gonna fix that. But it seems as if the activator is penetrating through all of the layers. Because this powder is really fine, it's able to penetrate. I promise you, y'all, the shaping is going to be taken care of, okay? I know. All right, so you're supposed to let the activator dry for 60 seconds. All right, so now we can start filing and shaping. I like to get these sides first. Seems like it's hard enough for me to file. Dip powder nails are very easy to file, so you don't want to get carried away. It's just powder after all, so make sure to not overfile. All right, so the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed. And I told y'all the shape was gonna get so much better after filing. So this is what I'm working with right now. I got a little idea of what I want to do. So if you were just following the steps in the kit, then you'll just go ahead and apply step 3, which is the gel top coat. But I'm not gonna do that. I have a design that I want to do. So I'm gonna go in with a matte gel top coat. But as you can see, these colors are really cute, glossy as well. My gel top coat, my matte gel top coat is getting chunky. I'm gonna have to order some more. And as y'all can see, I fixed this cuticle. Never underestimate the power of a nail file. Don't you hate when like you're doing your nails and it's like you have one thing in mind and then something happens and you're like, you know what? I may just change my mind and do this. I do that all the time. I am so indecisive when it comes to nails. I know I'll be going radio silent. I'll be concentrating, y'all. So just so y'all can see, this is what the colors look like when they're all glossed up. So let me go ahead and cure this. All right, and this is what it looks like after the matte top coat has cured. Kind of like before, but it has a top coat on it. All right, so now I'm gonna do like a monochromatic 3D type flower thing. I know that didn't make no sense, but what I'm pretty much gonna do is make 3D flowers on all of these nails using the corresponding colors. Hopefully, we should be able to use this dip powder with some monomer to make some 3D, to make a mess. Okay, wait a minute. Let me clean up first. Getting a little too excited. Okay, so gotta be careful to not drop any more powder. All right, got my 3D brush. Oh, I'm just spilling stuff. Right, so we're just gonna dip into here. I'm gonna hold this on the brush just for a little bit. I don't really have any rhyme or reason of how I'm gonna place these petals. Yeah, since the dip powder is more fine than regular acrylic powder, it's gonna take a little bit for it to set.
All right, that's better.
Ooh, this is taking a long time. You really have to be patient when you're doing 3D art. All right, so this is what I came up with. It did take a while, but y'all see what I was going for. But first, let's put some cuticle oil on. All right, so this is the finished look. At first, I was like, what am I doing? But I actually like how these came out. Different. So let me get y'all a close up with the cuticle oil now. I think these look cute and they're a nice little sporty length. So if you guys are interested in the Azure Beauty Dip Powder Kit, I will leave the link down below. And if you enjoy watching me check out nail kits from Amazon, check out this video right here. And I will talk to you in the next one. Peace.